Most anniversary watches look toward the future, but Seiko's latest masterpiece is a journey back to 1895, captured in a dial that will never fade. This is the Seiko Presage Craftsmanship Series SPB538, a 145th anniversary limited edition that acts as a love letter to the brand's origins. It draws direct inspiration from the 1895 Timekeeper pocket watch and the 1913 Laurel, Japan's very first wristwatch. While the Presage line is known for Japanese artistry, the SPB538 matters because it introduces a major evolution for the Craftsmanship series. For the first time in this design lineage, we see a central seconds hand instead of a subdial, blending antique soul with a cleaner, modern symmetry. The 35mm gilded stainless steel case is a masterclass in vintage proportions. It features articulated, movable lugs and a signature onion-style crown, details that recall the era when pocket watches were first being converted for the wrist. But the true protagonist is the dial. Crafted by master artisan Mitsuru Yokosawa, this is genuine fired enamel. Unlike painted dials, this white enamel possesses a soft, organic depth and a lustrous sheen that remains unchanged for decades. The black Roman numerals provide stark legibility, while the leaf-shaped hands and applied Seiko logo are finished in warm gold tones to mark the anniversary. Protecting this artistry is a box-shaped sapphire crystal, which adds a beautiful period-correct distortion at the edges. Beneath the enamel lies the in-house Calibre 6R51. This is a modern, reliable automatic movement that brings the watch's heritage into the present. It operates at 21,600 vibrations per hour and boasts an impressive 72-hour power reserve. Whether you set it down for a weekend or wear it daily, it remains ready. The watch is completed by a rich brown pull-through leather strap sourced from Leather Working Group certified tanneries, emphasizing the brand's commitment to quality materials. On the wrist, the 35mm diameter feels incredibly refined. While it is compact, the 12.3mm thickness gives it a reassuring high-end weight. It is a watch for the connoisseur who values discreet luxury. It doesn't shout for attention, but it rewards those who look closely. Priced at €2,000 and limited to just 1,450 pieces, the value is found in the artisan labor. You aren't just buying a Seiko, you are buying a handmade piece of enamel art that normally commands prices 5 times higher in the Swiss market. The Seiko SPB538 is for the collector who respects history but demands modern performance. It is a bridge between the 19th century workshop and the 21st century wrist. If you want to own the most poetic chapter of Seiko's 145-year story, this is the watch to find.